iPhone sending green messages instead of blue? If your iPhone's messages are turning green when they should be blue, don't worry, I've got you covered. This issue typically means your messages are being sent as SMS rather than iMessages. Here's how to fix it and get your messages back to blue. Solution 1. Check iMessage settings. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Find the Message app. Tap Messages. Ensure iMessage is turned on. If it's already on, toggle it off and then back on. Tap on Send and Receive. And make sure to active your iMessage on iPhone with number or Apple ID. Go back. Scroll down. Here we'll see an option that is called Send as Text Message. If you only want to send iMessage, then turn it off. But if you want to use text message when your iMessage is unavailable, then turn it on. Solution 2. Active iMessage from iCloud. Tap Apple ID. Scroll down. Tap iCloud. Scroll down. Tap See All. Find out iMessage and tap on it. Make sure to turn on Use on this iPhone. After that, tap Sync Now. Check Internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or has cellular data enabled. If you are on a Wi-Fi, try switching to cellular data or vice versa. Solution 3. Turn off restriction. Open Setting. Scroll down. Tap Screen Time. Scroll down. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure to toggle this off. Solution 4. Reset Network Settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Note that this will reset your Wi-Fi passwords. That's how you can fix the issue of your iPhone messages going from blue to green. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.